Hi everyone, this is Simon here, and I'm going to show you how you can work with PDFs in Microsoft Word. So the ability to save a Word document into a PDF has been around since Word 2007. Everybody's used that ever since then. But what you can now do in Word 2016 and Office 365 is actually open and edit a PDF through Microsoft Word directly without the need for Adobe Reader. So let's have a look at this. We've got a list of PDFs here in this folder. And these are all three PDFs. So they weren't Word documents originally, they were PDFs. Let's imagine they were just sent to you as and when. And what we need to do is actually edit them. Now, if I tried to open them normally just by double clicking on this first one, the list of Marvel superhero films, as you would expect, that would just open straight into Adobe Reader because it's a PDF file, as we know. But I need to go in and actually edit this file. Now, I can't do that at the moment because I've just got Adobe Reader. However, we can do this by going straight into Microsoft Word directly. So if you have a Word document or Microsoft Word already open at this point, it's very, very easy to do. Instead of opening it from the file and its location, we go into Word first of all, and we simply open it as if we were opening a Word document. And what I mean by that is simply by going up to File and Open like you would do with any other file. Go and locate the file by going down to Browse. So I'm just going to find the file here. So go to PDFs. There it is. You can even notice it's still got the PDF symbol in there. It still reads as an Adobe Acrobat document, which is there. However, all I need to do now at this point is simply double click and open the document. Now that'll take a few seconds to work and to load. And what we'll do is come up with this little pop-up box here saying that Word will now convert the PDF into an editable Word document. So I can just simply select OK with that. And here we are. We've now got this document in Word, and I can go in and I can type and edit it all I like. I can even delete some of the text and add my own stuff and copy and paste. It's now mine to use. At this point, you're free to do what you like with it. You can save it as another PDF, or you can save it as a Word document, or you can do both. Now, I should point out that this only works if this was an original document and not a scanned PDF. So an image file, in other words. It has to have been an actual document for you to be able to open and edit it in this manner. Now, a couple of things might change according to possible formatting, but you can sort that out. You can decide what that happens. But this is a great tool that's now been introduced from Word 2016 and Office 365, the ability for you to actually open and edit a PDF directly from Microsoft Word. Now, what I'm also going to show you is how you can also use Word as a PDF combiner. So imagine you had three separate PDFs that you wanted to bring together into one single document. That we can do straight from Microsoft Word. So we're going to go and get a new file and a brand new document in order for this to work with. Okay, so I've got my new document open, and what I want to do is bring in the three PDFs that we just saw a second ago. So import PDF 1, import PDF 2, and the list of Marvel superhero films. I'm going to combine all three of those PDFs now into one file. Now, it's probably best if you started with a new blank document with this. However, you can do it with a pre-existing document, but we'll go for this anyway. The tool we need to use is found in the Insert ribbon bar, and just towards the right-hand side, we've got an option that says Object on here. Now we need to choose the drop-down arrow for Object because that gives us an extra part here, an extra setting called Text from File. And it doesn't matter the fact that it's a PDF, it will still include that in our options to be able to choose from here. Now we can see we've got those available. Now simply holding the Control button down, I can click first on Import PDF 2, Import PDF 1 and 2, and then a list of Marvel superhero films. So if I choose Insert, after selecting all three of those, it will take a few seconds to load, but it will come up with the same box because it has to load the PDFs. And there we go. So there's the information and the text coming from the other PDF. So you can see it's a different document. That was the first one that we had that started with it. And then we can actually go down and we can see all the different documents that have come through each of these. So this has brought together those three PDFs. So just sort of scrolling through it. There we go. And there's the third one, the list of Marvel super films at the bottom of the screen. So some very useful tips there. Simply opening and editing PDF from Microsoft Word, and also being able to combine PDFs using the Insert and Object option on the far right hand side there. And then you want to select Text from File.